It's Here First from IPR. I'm Megan McKinney. In today's episode, a candidate to represent Iowa's 1st Congressional District just announced his bid. And also in today's episode, taking a look at a bill that would regulate AI for minors. It's Thursday, April 16th. An independent candidate has jumped into the race for the 1st Congressional District. Michael Bridgeford is an independent financial advisor from Bittendorf. He says Washington is stuck, and independents can help members of Congress on both sides reach compromises and work together. And Bridgeford says there is an appetite for change as more voters disengage with the two major parties.
Once we get on the other side, I think we look back 5 or 10 years down the road, we're going to say it was obvious that this had to happen. Things got so out of whack. There was just no ability to get things done and work together that we needed to make a change.
The latest data from the Iowa Secretary of State shows active no-party voters make up the second largest faction of registered voters behind Republicans. The number is up from the start of the year. The Polk County Health Department is finalizing a plan that looks at how to improve residents' health beyond the doctor's office. IPR's Mara Curran reports.
The Community Health Improvement Plan is being designed to address non-medical factors affecting a person's well-being. It focuses on access to care, housing, mental health, and economic stability. Michelle Siebert is with the Polk County Health Department. She says they've spent the last year engaging with community organizations to figure out how they can help create actionable change.
Our community really does have some of this infrastructure already in place. How can we build on that, expand, or enhance what's already going on?
Siebert says they're looking into things like training more childcare providers, building credit for renters, and support for people returning from incarceration or inpatient mental health care. Polk County Health is finishing up the planning process before the project launches in June. I'm Mara Curran, IPR News.
AI companies would have to put in more safeguards for minors under a bill heading to the governor's desk. IPR's Isabella Liu has more details.
Conversational AI would need visible disclaimers telling minors they're interacting with artificial intelligence. AI developers also couldn't incentivize minors to use the program more, using points or other rewards. And the AI programs would have to refer minors to crisis services if they show thoughts of suicide or self-harm. Republican Representative Austin Harris of Moulton says past cases of people harming themselves due to AI make the bill necessary.
That's very disturbing. I think this won't be the last that we do on this subject moving forward, but at least it's a start for now.
The proposal would also restrict certain sexually explicit content generated by AI. I'm Isabella Liu, IPR News.
The company restarting the Duane Arnold nuclear plant near Cedar Rapids could see large sales tax breaks under a bill passed by the Iowa House. The bill would grant sales and use tax exemptions for companies starting or restarting nuclear plants after 2027. A physical note on the bill projects it would decrease state and local revenue by over $90 million over the next 5 years. Democratic Representative Eric Jardy of Cedar Rapids says the bill will bring more economic growth to the state.
We know that nuclear energy is the future of energy, and this piece of legislation tells everybody that Iowa is welcome to business and nuclear energy coming in.
NextEra Energy plans to restart Duane Arnold by the start of 2029. The bill would only be in effect for 25 years. The proposal passed 94-1 and now heads to the Senate. Thanks for listening to Here First from IPR. I'm Megan McKinney. If you have a break from the storms today, it's going to be sunny. It's going to be nice. Go outside if you can. Have a good day.